Hi teachers, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how you can access a very accurate attendance data on all of your students. Christina has shared with me her login information, and so I'm just going to go into her account because I wanted you to see it from a teacher's view. So here is a teacher's startup page, and you will always start here at student information. You can choose either AM or PM. I'm just going to click on AM. And then you will see on the left your entire roster. You will have to check individual students one by one, but once you know how to do it, it is pretty quick and very, very accurate and gives you a lot of details that you might be curious about. So I'm just going to randomly choose this student, Delilah. You'll click on her name and it's going to take you to her startup page. Most importantly is you'll come over to the select screen, scroll down to quick lookup, and it's going to give you all of the attendance data that you might need. So here's Delilah's account information, and you can see that she's in Christina's class. And the most important part to pay attention to is over here in her absences and tardies. Right now we focus mostly on absences. You can see the first column on the left is her current absences in the third quarter, and right here are her total absences for the school year. You'll see it both for the morning and the afternoon, and then of course at the very bottom here is her attendance totals both for the current quarter and for the school year. What you can do for more information is you can click on any of these and it'll actually give you the dates that she has been absent. So Delilah, since January, so in the third quarter, has missed 6 days of school. The U means it was unexcused and no parent had called in. So that gives you even more details about their attendance. You can also click on just the PM. If you want the full year, you click down here on the 27, and it's going to break it down. Here is her morning absences, and then here are her afternoon absences. And you can see most kids, when they're absent, they're gone for a whole day. So for example, she was gone on February 7th in the morning, and of course, she is also gone in the afternoon on February 7th, which is usually the case. Remember, to earn the Roll Award, students can have 18 total absences because 9 full days is the goal. That was the max we wanted them to miss. So I hope this helps. Again, you'll have to choose student by student. You'll go to their name, scroll over here down to quick lookup, and you get all the information you need right over here. You can look at just the morning, just the afternoon, the total both for the quarter and for the full school year. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to helping you. Thanks.